tree there, and it keeps coming close to the house, and then when I start recording it moves off. And there's another one behind me, look. Somewhere up there. Yeah. There's loads of them above our houses that just hover. They're less than 400 metres because this picks up 300 to 400 metres, this night vision. And they do belong to the Richardson Torch gang, and they live in South London, Camberwell. And the person who owns them all is Charlie Boy Richardson and his daughter, Charlie Richardson II. And if you go on some of my accounts on X, on Reddit, they phoned me up after they scanned my house. They got my phone number from the scan, tried to intimidate me. So I asked them some questions and they admitted they owned it all, and I recorded it.